still trying to figure out how to run this machine. I kind of assumed that I could jump right from that little Bobcat E10 to this 4-ton machine and just apply all of the same movements, and even though the control pattern's the same, this machine is quite different. It feels so much different than running that little bitty machine. There's something about the relationship between the stick, the boom, and the bucket that's quite different from the Bobcat. So I'm just trying to get that new muscle memory down so I can work a little more efficiently. So what I'm doing now is, this is a black locust tree stump, and so it's about 18 inches in diameter, and that's some really hard wood. I don't know how the roots are going to be, but I think it's going to be a formidable opponent. But let's see what we can do with this machine. Well, all right, got it dug. I guess that took me, what, about 30, 45 minutes or something. It would have taken me a week with that little Bobcat E10. And my grading job is not too good, as you can see. I'm still trying to get the hang of that blade and the bucket, so kind of have a hole over here and a high spot here, so I think I'll work on that some more. But this little section of land here is just full of bumps and dips, so it's not all my fault. So that's pretty much the first time I operate this thing. I've been taking the machine out and just practice with my controls, practicing tracking and trying to get used to how it handles, but this is really the first kind of project I've done with it, so I think it went okay. All right, guys, hope you like this video. If you like this kind of stuff, excavators and machines and stuff, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love to hear your comments. Some of you have been commenting on a regular basis, and I'm really enjoying that, so please keep it up. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.